Green veins, green veins, green veins. So everybody has green vein. But when yours is actually protruding more than usual, it means you are applying a kind of cream that is making that green vein become more visible than usual. Means you are using a bleaching product or a product that contains harmful chemicals. Now, how do we get rid of green vein caused by body lotions? How do we get rid of green vein caused by skincare products? Oh, you must note this that everybody actually has green veins, and there are two criteria in which your green vein would be more prominent than the others. Green vein appears on the skin due to how light interacts with the blood and the skin. Your green vein may appear blue or green depending on these things, the amount of fat in your body, and also depending on your skin tone. Not this. So people with lighter skin tone may likely see a blue or a green vein because their skin allows light to pass through them. So the problem I have now is with people that your green vein then goes above normal and multiplies due to using mixing creams, using harsh bleaching products, or using strong chemical product or strong lightening creams. That is going to actually destroy your skin. So I see a lot of people coming to me that, oh, what can I use for green vein? What can I use for green vein? How about you stop those lightening products you're using? How about you stop promesing all those products? How about you stop using whitening products? How about you just using safe moisturizers? That's the only thing that can help you. Because if your skin is not moisturized well enough, my dear, no matter what you do, the green vein is going to multiply. So this is what I would tell you. For you people that you want to eat your cake and have it, unfortunately you cannot. If you're using a particular lightening cream, you have to stop using that lightening cream and go on safe moisturizers. Moisturizer that contains enough hyaluronic acid and contains emollients that can help to heal your skin. Then it's important that you note this. There's a difference between spider vein, varicose vein, and green vein. In this video, I'm tackling green vein because spider vein and varicose vein can be caused by a whole lot of things. But green vein, especially by the time it's being multiplied than usual, is usually the cosmetics you are using on your skin. But spider vein and varicose vein are caused by blood statics and weak vein walls. Now, what can you do to reduce the appearance of green vein? First of all, discontinue any harsh products. Focus on moisturizing products. Moisturizing products like E45, CeraVe lotion, Ameliorate. All these lotions are going to help to make your skin come back nice. Ilion cream. All these lotions I'm mentioning, please write them down and go and get them. And if you are then concerned, oh, you don't want to get darker, you're not a naturally fair person, you're not a naturally light skinned person, my dear, by the time you go back to those cream, you're going to get darker. Unless you want to use your head to brighten your skin. When I mean use your head, I mean you can be using those lotions twice a week. When you apply your lotion, apply your moisturizing lotion. Use a lot of collagen oil, retinol oil, and take a lot of supplements to help renew your skin. If you're not ready to do that, my dear, your green vein is going to come back again and again and again and again. So please, green vein is not a kind of sickness. It's what many people put on themselves by themselves because of the kind of cosmetics they are using. Yes. So which of them do you have? Do you have green vein? Do you have spider vein or do you have varicose vein? Which of them? Thank you for watching. Please follow for more. Please follow me. Please subscribe. Please click on the button subscribe. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.